Hello, welcome to GPS classes Agra. This is a UPSC mains answer checking session. Okay, discuss the concept of de-dollarization and delve into opportunities and challenges it presents for India. You have to discuss the concept of de-dollarization. That is, we don't want to promote dollar anymore. We are promoting our own currency, the rupees. Okay, and delve into opportunities. What are the opportunities if we consider rupees as the source of payment instead of dollar? It presents a great deal of opportunities for India as it will boost our imports and exports from countries like Russia and China and North Korea, which are under sanctions. What are the challenges? Challenge lies with America and those countries that deal with dollar currencies. Okay. Now starting. This is an answer written by Rini ji. RBI plays an important role to balance their monetary policy, to balance the balance the monetary policy, that is currency, as the economy of India depends on foreign exchange. Very good. Okay. Opportunities for India by de-dollarization. Number one, increased stability in international trade. Example, more people, more use of rupee. Very good. This was the main point of de-dollarization. More use of rupee. More foreign investment. Amazing. The main thing we want with de-dollarization is that we want investments. Example, exporting of India, export of India increases in export slash importing of India increases. The main thing is exporting. Export of India increases. Importing, we are not so much concerned with imports. We are more concerned with exporting. You can use the Make in India slogan for this. Make in India. It will promote Make in India. Okay. Prevent good relation with foreign countries. ठीक है नहीं not prevent, promote good relations with foreign country. We want good relations, we don't want to prevent good relations. Example, devaluation of not rupee, dollar. Okay. Lower transaction cost. Example, more focus on our own. Challenges faced by India through de-dollarization. Very good. Challenges. Number one, limitation in foreign exchange leads to downfall in India's economy. Example, no dollar exchange. Very good. This was the most important point which presents itself as a challenge. Hinders the relation of India with US and other countries. Example, NATO, European Union, G7 countries which mainly deal in dollars. Relations with them will be hampered. America may either put sanctions on us or SWIFT will be against us. SWIFT will become anti-India, just like it has done with Russia, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey. Decrease tourism of India. Very good. It can decrease. Example, North American tourists not visiting India. North American tourists, they mainly use dollar. North American tourists may not visit India. May not visit India. This is a very big challenge of tourism. This is very important. You have to understand this word, tourism. Therefore, to achieve the target of $5 trillion economy of India, we need to promote foreign exchanges. Very good. Perfect conclusion. Okay. The introduction can become further greater. By like RBI plays an important role balancing their monetary policy. You can write that India needs to maintain a balance. India needs to maintain a balance between self-reliance and Vasudev Kutumbakam. Like we want to become Atmanirbhar, but entire world is also our home. We have to promote them also. Okay, thank you very much.